how to join Discord server with expired link. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Discord. Enter your login credentials and then make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Now first of all, head over to the link that the person has sent you. Tap on this 3 horizontal line at the top left corner. And then click on this message icon once again at the top left corner. Now head over to that inbox of the person. So let's say this is the link that this person has sent me, but it says invalid invite, which means that it has already been expired. In this case, what you can do is simply ask them to send the link again to you. Now if they consider your text, they will definitely send the link again. After that, you can simply tap on it and join the link. The next thing you want to do is simply head over to the Discord support and then simply report the problem. In the description box, you need to write that I need an updated version of an invalid link of the server, and then simply paste the link. Once you have submitted this report, now within 24 hours, they will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can join expired link on Discord. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.